the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the following features are included: variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.